Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. If it's something I can link, I will absolutely link it right down in the description so you can check that out if you want to. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down there as well if you'd like to support the channel. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, this was sent by... MCT. Okay, looks well packaged. Could be just an individual. Could be a company, business, retailer. I have no idea. MCT. Oh, wait, there's a note. Huh. For giveaway or any use you see fit. Okay. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh, boy. I'm so pumped. Oh my gosh. What do we have here? 1 and 2. Okay, so first off, this is Mini Cannon Tech is definitely a company you guys should check, or an entity you should check out. To find out the exact Instagram associated with this, as well as the website. I believe there's a website. I'll make sure that it's linked right down below. In any case, in the description will be information on how you can, get one of these for yourself. Let me look at the front here. And I don't know. Why did you do 2? I gotta find out what the heck this is. I would imagine. Well, I didn't know. Or did we talk about a knife? I can't remember now. Oh, did you just offer this up? Okay, well, cool. Is this one of the... Holy moly. CPM M4. Is that what you meant for giveaway or any UCC fit? Because that's really cool. I'm sure that somebody would be extremely happy with that. Wow, I didn't even know that existed. So that's really cool. Well, thank you. Holy moly. M4 Kershaw Blur there. Okay, let's get into these boxes here. Where did my... There it is. So, these are not knives at all. These are... This first one here says Mini Cannon Tech Reenactor 3. .177 caliber black powder miniature cannon. So these are fully functioning. We've got warnings and stuff in here, which I will read later, but I'll let you guys take a look at this and pause it if you want to. It's not a toy. It's a functional thing. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I'm so excited to see. So there's the firing kit, which will absolutely, I'll have to do this on Instagram. And then let's see here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so cool. I don't know what it is. So I have no, look at this. So he makes these. I mean, these are handmade. But yeah, look at that. Oh, you can adjust it too. That is just so cool. So yeah, I have no, there's no part of me that's specifically into cannons, but the idea of a tiny little cannon that is functional, right? That really does, that you really can, fire little teeny tiny cannonballs. I just thought that was so cool. And so I was like, yeah, and I had heard about these, I think through either Jim Skelton or Levon of the Knife Nuts podcast. I can't remember which, maybe both. And I was like, I want one of those. And then I was speaking to this person, and there's another firing kit, of course. I think this is the one. You made me too. You didn't have to do that. We agreed on one. I think he was just being nice. So Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, yeah. See, that's the one. This is the one that we talked about. He said, do you want to do one in channel colors? And I said, yes, absolutely. So, of course, we have the... These are well made. Holy moly. So, of course, we have the silver and the blue and the black, which is really cool. So, these will fire. Let me get the firing kit out. These will actually fire little tiny, like, cannonballs. Obviously, these can be... Yeah, there they are right there. I mean, they're like little ball bearings. Obviously, these can be dangerous, so this isn't something that you want to just, like, play with, you know. But definitely something I am interested... I imagine that's maybe black powder. Or maybe... What do we have here? These, like, spare... Oh, this... kind of want to find out what this is. This is definitely a first. Oh, I see. It's wick. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Man, that's so cool. I gotta get like a... I gotta do like a slow motion video on Instagram, or I'll do one for Instagram, and I think I'll probably do a YouTube short of this mini cannon firing. But that is so cool. So is this like... Is it called, is it tamping? How do you, I mean, obviously there's instructions on how this all works. These are super cool. I am really excited about these. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you will be seeing these in the near future on the channel and or Instagram. Thank you so much to Mini Cannon Tech for doing this. I did pay, but I paid for one. So he obviously hooked me up. Really cool. Very excited about that. This, I'm still unsure if the knife is meant to be given away or if this is just like a review. I can't remember. In any case, this is really cool. Thanks so much. Be sure to check out links for Mini Cannon Tech down in the description so you guys can check this stuff out for yourself. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.